Hello gang, this is Brad from Moix RV, and it's Christmas time early here at Moix. You have got to see what we got in. After 2 years of waiting, we got our first Serenova. This thing is built by Grand Design, and it is absolutely gorgeous inside and out. Hidden lights everywhere. Front windshield, we'll check that out when we get inside. BAL leveling system. Storage is absolutely crazy on this size of coach. Lots of storage in the front, oversized tires, and when we talk about storage, this is what we mean. You don't see that on some of the 30-foot travel trailers nowadays, but this has got it. One-piece Girard style awning, big window at the back, we'll check that out in just a minute. Acrylic windows on the side. If you can think it, this thing absolutely has it. As you walk in, you'll notice a big power step on the outside. One of the biggest refrigerators that I have ever seen in this style of coach, especially this size. Full pull-out freezer down below. TV, wrap-around sofa area with the glass all the way across the front so you can see out of the windshield. So whether you're backed up to the lake or you're pulled up to the lake, you're always going to have that view that you've been looking for. Plus almost a complete 360 window all the way around on this coach. And as you enter the kitchen area, this thing has cabinets galore. Everything has soft closed doors, lots of storage, hidden lights down below and above to give it that nice little moon set. Also induction cooktop, convection oven, microwave, both. This has the large deep sink with the swan style faucet. And look at the drawers. This thing is absolutely amazing how much storage that it has. And the mattress, I'm not sure where they got this, or maybe Grand Design is building this, but this is an amazing mattress. Very comfortable, not lumpy, not hard. Thing is amazing. And like we were talking about before, you've got wraparound windows all the way in the back also. This is definitely worth the wait. Like I said, it took almost 2 years to finally get one, but we have it. And if you have not seen this coach online, you need to come check it out. This is probably one of the best layouts I've seen in a long time on something like this. So anyway, it's Christmas time here at Moix, so if you want to see a great Christmas present, or maybe you want one for yourself, come check us out. We're always here and we'll be happy to help you in any way. We'll hope to see you soon.